So this is my axe. If this axe is dull or blunt, more strength is needed to cut. So when you cut with a dull knife, you put more strength on the knife and you tend to cut yourself worse with a dull knife than with a sharp knife. Now, when the axe is sharp, every swing carries power. Your life is just like that. When you live without focus, without purpose, your energy is scattered. You work harder but achieve less. You see, a dull life drains strength. But when you sharpen your focus and align your purposes with God's will, your life gains power and precision. Every action begins to count. You move with clarity. You move with direction and divine strength. So take time to sharpen your axe, sharpen your mind, sharpen your spirit, your discipline, and your vision. Make God the point of everything you do. Matthew 6:33 says, seek first the kingdom of God and his righteousness. Then all these things will be added unto you. So when he becomes your focus, your edge will stay sharp. Your strength will multiply and every giant and obstacle will fall before you. Sharpen your axe. Let your life cut through anything that stands in your way. Blessings.